Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV is a beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for kids and adults alike. It features a 1080p HD camera with FPV, first-person view, transmission, allowing users to enjoy real-time video streaming and capture high-quality photos and videos during flights. The camera angle can be manually adjusted to help capture different perspectives. This foldable drone is compact, portable, and comes with a carrying case for easy storage and transport. It offers several user-friendly features like one-key takeoff/land, making it simple to launch and land even for beginners. It also supports voice and gesture control, allowing you to command the drone with simple voice prompts or take photos by making gestures in front of the camera. The drone is equipped with optical flow positioning, which helps it maintain stable hover both indoors and outdoors, enhancing its ease of use and shooting stability. It includes Waypoint Fly, letting you draw a flight path on your smartphone screen for the drone to automatically follow, and 360 degrees flip, providing fun aerial stunts at the push of a button. Other features include altitude hold for stable hovering, headless mode for easy orientation, and adjustable speeds to match different skill levels. The drone is made to be durable, and replacement parts are often included in the package. Overall, this drone is a great entry-level choice with a strong focus on ease of use, portability, and fun. It's ideal for those looking to learn the basics of drone flying, enjoy casual aerial photography, or simply have a fun flying experience with friends and family. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera 1080p FPV is a compact, foldable drone designed for beginners, kids, and adults who want a simple and fun flying experience. It features a 1080p HD camera with FPV transmission, allowing users to view real-time footage directly on their smartphone. The 90 degrees adjustable lens gives flexibility to capture different angles during flight, making it easy to take photos and videos from various perspectives. This mini drone includes stable altitude hold, helping it hover steadily in the air for smoother controls and clearer pictures. Gravity control adds to the fun by letting pilots steer the drone by tilting their smartphone, creating a more interactive flying experience. It also supports trajectory flight, where users can draw a path on their mobile device, and the drone will automatically follow the plotted course. Launching and landing the drone is made simple with a one-key takeoff/land function, great for beginners. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending flight time and giving users more opportunities to practice and enjoy their flights without constantly recharging. Additional features like headless mode make orientation easier, especially for first-time flyers. Speed adjustment options let users select a flying speed that matches their skill level, whether they are beginners or more experienced pilots. Thanks to its foldable design and lightweight build, the drone is highly portable and easy to carry around. It's a great choice for casual aerial photography, learning basic drone controls, or having fun with family and friends. In short, this mini drone combines portability, ease of use, and fun flying features, making it a great value for those new to drones or looking for a budget-friendly flying camera experience. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The Drone with Camera 2K HD FPV is a foldable mini drone designed for kids, beginners, and casual flyers who want better video quality and smoother flight. It features a 2K HD camera with FPV transmission, providing clearer, sharper images and real-time viewing through a smartphone app. This makes it ideal for capturing high-quality photos and videos from the sky. A key highlight of this model is its brushless motor, which offers more power, quieter operation, better durability, and longer flight life compared to drones with brushed motors. Altitude hold ensures the drone hovers steadily at a fixed height, making it easier to control and improving photo and video stability. It supports gesture selfie, allowing users to snap photos or start videos using simple hand gestures in front of the camera, a fun and easy way to take pictures without touching the controller. One key takeoff/landing simplifies operation for beginners, while 3D flips add exciting aerial stunts with a simple press of a button. The drone also features Waypoint Fly, enabling users to draw a flight path on their smartphone screen for the drone to follow automatically. It includes 2 batteries, doubling the flight time and allowing for longer and more enjoyable flying sessions. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it portable and convenient for travel. Additional features like headless mode for easy orientation and speed adjustment for different skill levels make this drone flexible and beginner-friendly. In summary, this 2K brushless motor drone combines higher camera quality, smoother performance, easy controls, and portability. It's a great choice for beginners and kids who want to explore drone flying, capture better aerial shots, and enjoy fun features without spending a lot. Number 4. Drone with Camera. The drone with 1080p camera is a foldable remote control quadcopter designed specifically for beginners, kids, and casual flyers. It features a 1080p HD camera that allows users to capture clear photos and videos, with the ability to stream footage in real time through a smartphone app. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store, carry, and take on outdoor adventures. This drone includes voice control and gesture selfie features, adding an interactive and fun flying experience. With simple voice commands like takeoff or hand gestures, users can easily control the drone or take pictures without using the remote. Altitude hold technology keeps the drone hovering steadily at a fixed height, making it easier to capture clear and stable shots. The One Key Start/Landing feature allows beginners to launch or land the drone effortlessly with the push of a button. It also supports 3D flips, enabling users to perform exciting aerial stunts easily, adding extra fun to each flight. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the total flight time and reducing downtime between flights. Headless mode is available to simplify orientation, especially helpful for younger or first-time pilots. Speed adjustment settings allow users to choose between different speeds depending on their skill level. Designed as a fun and educational toy, this drone makes a great gift for boys and girls who want to learn the basics of flying and aerial photography. Its lightweight build and easy-to-use features make it perfect for indoor or outdoor use. In short, this 1080p camera drone is an excellent starter choice, combining essential features like stable flight, voice and gesture control, and portability at an affordable price, perfect for kids, teens, and beginners looking for an enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with 1080p HD camera is a user-friendly, foldable quadcopter designed for both beginners and adults, offering a fun and simple flying experience. It features a 1080p HD FPV camera that streams real-time video to your smartphone, making it easy to capture aerial photos and videos. The 90 degrees adjustable lens allows users to manually tilt the camera to capture various angles during flight. This mini drone includes essential features like One Key Takeoff/Land, perfect for those new to drone flying. It also has altitude hold, which helps keep the drone hovering at a stable height for better image capture and easier control. The 360 degrees flip function lets users perform fun aerial tricks with just one button, adding excitement to each flight. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling the flight time and allowing for longer, uninterrupted flying sessions. The drone also arrives with a carrying case, making it easy to transport and store, especially for travel or outdoor flying. Its foldable design and compact size make it highly portable, and it's lightweight enough for indoor and outdoor use. The drone supports headless mode, which allows users to control the drone without worrying about its orientation, a great aid for beginners. Speed modes can also be adjusted to match the pilot's skill level. This drone is a great gift option for both kids and adults, thanks to its balance of performance, ease of use, and entertainment value. Whether you're interested in casual photography or just want a fun flying toy, this drone covers the basics in a reliable and compact package. In summary, the mini drone with 1080p camera is a solid choice for entry-level flyers looking for affordability, portability, and essential flying features packed into a stylish, easy-to-use design.